Since their creation, Mustang and Camaro has always had a rivalry, especially when it comes to their fan base. There's always that Mustang guy and that Camaro guy that's duking it out until one of them ends up on the side of the road. But today we are going to be discussing the paper performance of these track cars. That's right, we are talking about the Mustang Mach 1 and the Camaro SS1 1LE. Let's get into it. Starting off first with the engines of these vehicles. We have, of course, the Mustang's iconic 5-liter naturally aspirated V8 versus the equally iconic Camaro 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8. Let's start off with the horsepower. Mustang puts down a healthy 480 horsepower versus Camaro's 455 horsepower. Obviously, this one goes to the Mustang. Always loved how the horsepower of the Mustang is so significant, even though it's less displacement. Very cool. Next, we have the torque. Mustang puts down a very good 420 foot-pounds of torque, but it does not beat Camaro's 455. This leads us to weight. Mustang weighs in at 3,829 pounds. This is curb weight, where Camaro is just a little bit under at 3,772 pounds. The next point easily goes to the Mustang. That is the red line at 7,000 RPMs versus Camaro's 6,500 RPM. Taking in all these factors, we have the performance of each one, which really is a toss-up between the driver, the day, and the track. We have the Mustang 0 to 60 at 4.2 seconds versus Camaro's 4 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and give this to the Camaro. However, when we look at the quarter-mile time, it is so damn close. It really is a tie. I mean, we have the Mustangs at 12.3, so 12.3 seconds, and then the Camaro's at 12.4. So really it could go either way. What can't go either way though is the price. Camaro comes in at a bargain at $48,000 versus the Mustang Mach 1 starting price of $56,000. So when we tally up all the stats, it's clear that we have a winner, and that is Camaro. Both of these are fantastic cars. You can't really go wrong with either one of them. A lot of these stats are very close. So again, like, it just really comes down to your preference. Which one do you like? Do you like this style versus that one? Do you like these mods that you can do with them? Because both of these are fantastic to go ahead and add modifications down the road. So which one would you choose? The Camaro or the Mustang?